Guys, I got a travel carrier for my birds. So, a while ago, my dad was like, put them in. I gave them minutes for lots of stuff. And now they're just fine, sitting there calmly. Have a nice day. Well, they are. They're with me, so like, yeah. Puppy. You want to see them? We'll see them. My birds are in the travel carrier. They already put some crumbs. They already made it dirty. They're so cute. Hey, Boo. Blue, blue, blue. Oh, green. Boo, you're just... This is how big the backpack is. So, like, these guys are having fun. Well, they're acting normal. And they act normal. I'm going next to them. Don't see anyone. As a work done, YouTubers need to at least learn. Well, it's a backpack, but I want to carry it so I can show. Come on. Oh, good. Well, these are the stairs. Put them down on one of them. Go back. Carry. I'll be here. No, ma'am. Oh, Green, where are you? Hi, Green. Yeah, that's so nice. I'm putting them back down. That was a nice walk. Well, I'm gonna tips. What? I got it from Amazon. I trust it on Amazon only for once. When they delivered my aviator harness late. Well, okay. I stopped training them because I didn't know if they were comfortable outside because I thought they were. Oh yeah. Okay. Bye-bye. I hope you subscribe. Bye. Please subscribe. Smash that subscribe button in my face. So, bye. What? This is how teachers are. What is it? Your name. Bye-bye.